All right. Welcome once again to Dirty Business Garage. I'm James. We got Tommy and Steve here today. Today we're going to do freeze plugs on my CJ7. They're rusty and leaking. And we don't really call them freeze plugs, right?
I call them freeze plugs.
All right. So we're knocking out the freeze plugs. We're going to put some new ones in there.
What do you call them?
I did not get the brass ones.
What do you call them?
There's another name for these things, but I don't know what they are. But anyways, let's get rolling. Welcome to Dirty Business Garage. It's gonna be fun.
There we go. So there's our new one, and it's already installed. The reason why we didn't show you the process is because it's really hard to film it and get in there with one guy doing it and another guy doing it. So the best way to do that are extensions or long things. So the way we accomplished it is you get a socket that kind of fits the best and get in there, and then you can get in there with a hammer, just kind of tap it in. It's not a super hard press. You get it in there real good, make sure it's nice and even, make sure the lip is flat all the way around the hole, and you should be good to go. We're gonna try to tackle the front one. Maybe you see that, maybe you won't, and then we'll get the pressure test in and then fill in, and then that should be the end of the deal.
Florida.
Okay, come on up here. You can see it up here.
Go ahead, man. Go ahead.
You want to see it up here?
I can see it here.
Okay. There it is. Oh, are you watching? Hi. Hi, are you watching? It's like putting on toothpaste. What are you guys doing? So I like leaving it heavy duty like that, and then when you stick it up in there, it kind of holds it, and then you can beat it in.
Right, yeah.
Alright. You guys want to hand me that socket?
I'm on it. Let me see.
And a hammer?
A little hammer. Socket that's on the...
Yeah. That'll work. Can you see what we're doing there, Tommy?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, ain't gonna work. How about... Let me see if I can just dunk it in there. Yeah, that feels pretty good. I'm liking that. That's it. She's in. Where's that pressure tester?
Is in here?
Yeah. So after you guys put in, do your repairs or whatever, instead of putting in coolant and find a leak out the hard way, you can borrow one of these. It's a pressure tester. So basically you screw this on and pump it up and see if it holds pressure. And then your cap will tell you where it's supposed to be at, 13 pounds. Make sure you switch hands so you don't get injured.
And they're in that red area?
No, 13 is going to be the blue one. Make sure you switch hands so you don't get injured. Almost there, I promise. Okay, there we are.
There's no bubbles in the Permatex.
Now, should he let the Permatex sit overnight?
I mean,
Put coolant in so it can set?
you can. You can. I mean, it's not like you need the truck right now or the Jeep right now, right?
Yeah.
It's like 24 hours before you
Right.
put coolant in it.
I mean, I would call it good right now. It's holding.
Now moving, yeah.
Another repair. So what'd you learn today, James?
Put the engine on a stand to change the freeze plug.
You could, or you could do it this way.
Yeah. Yeah, it worked out well.
Not bad. I mean, it's what, about an hour's worth of work?
Yeah. It's just a little yoga and different tools, right?
Yeah, how much were freeze plugs?
It was around 20 bucks. It wasn't expensive.
So I got a request from somebody to include how long it took us to do the stuff and how much it costs for us to do the stuff. So
So time would be
like an
an
hour,
hour. And cost would be what, $5?
under $20 plus the coolant.
Right?
So you're looking at 40, 50 bucks for a repair and an hour's worth of your time. Hour and a half because you got to clean the driveway afterwards.
Right.
So what do you think, James?
I'm happy. Good. I'll be driving this again.
Okay.
I don't like having vehicles that I can't drive, you know?
Yeah.
So, put that bracket back in, put some coolant in the morning,
Yeah.
and then
Fire it up. Fire it up.
burn rubber, and another successful story right here on Dirty Business Garage. Thanks for tuning in. Please like and share. We appreciate it. Comment on the bottom and we'll try to answer any questions or, but we appreciate you watching. Bye now.